Hey guys, I am doing an unboxing of my new jump starter air compressor. Yes, you heard it right. It's both a jump starter and an air compressor. So I am so excited about this product. You have no idea. I do have a couple of jump starters that have been great to me, but having one that has an air compressor built in takes it to a whole new level. This is from the brand ANFLAG. And as you can see, basically has all these great things, and it looks like it has a flashlight too. So let's unbox it real quick. I'm gonna pause it real quick, guys, so you can see the whole thing, because I don't have a tripod. So one moment. Look at this, guys. Comes in a very nice case, protective case. It's got jumping cables and all the accessories here, power cable, all that good stuff. Let's take a quick look at it. Please, I do apologize if I'm shaking and not showing this the appropriate way. Oh, it's got a USB-C cable, which is phenomenal. So, and also it's got a regular. For your air tire to inflate it. It's got pretty much everything you need. And here is the big boy. Okay, so let's get him out. And there we go. I do apologize. I got this about a week ago. I haven't been able basically to open it, but I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. Let's click the power button. Look at that. It's already 87% charged. Wow. As you can see, it's got a few buttons here. I guess this is for the air pressure, minus, up, plus, manual, and I'm assuming that one is probably automatic. So again, from the brand ANFLAG. And wow, this thing is super solid. It's got a battery capacity of 21,800. It's just wonderful. It's, as you can see, it's got a USB-C, USB 1, USB 2 output. And those are right up here. That's that for the jump starter cables. And here the other area for those. The USB 1 out, USB 2 out, and it's USB-C in. So this will be very nice to charge. And I'm sure you can use this also for emergency cases. As you can see, it's got a flashlight there. Didn't get a chance to see which one is for the flash. But let's click this. Okay, there we go. Tells you how much you have battery and all that good stuff. Yep, gotta play around it a little bit more. So I just wanted to give you a brief unboxing preview. So yeah, awesome quality, and you can't go wrong with having both a jump starter and air compressor plus a flashlight. What a winning combination, guys. Take advantage of it.
Hello. So I'm a new driver, I have to admit, and I bought jump starter of Amazon and an air compressor, and it has a flashlight. It's called ANFLAG. It's pretty cool. This box. It comes in this. Once you open it, you have instructions inside. You have all sorts of cables. Now you have the jump starter kit with the clamps, which is great. You have a cable for the air compressor, which is neat. And this is it, with a handle. Despite its size, it's quite light, right? And it has an on-off button with a neat display. It tells you, obviously, how much you still have left, but also, and it switches to bars for cars, for motorcycles, bikes. You can turn on the flashlight from here, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. And it's pretty strong, very well. I mean, yeah. But also, you have the air compressor settings button, actually, which is right in the middle. And it's pretty strong. Here you go. Nice. So yeah, definitely very handy. But what I find quite useful, especially for my tablet and all, is the fact that you have USB normal outputs, but also USB C. Pretty neat, I would say. I mean, given the money, and light too. Yeah, here you have it. ANFLAG of Amazon.
Bought the jump start air compressor, so this is gonna help me going camping, and I always have a backup when I drive cars making trips. So this is how it comes. Has some tools on this side. This is for the air compressor, this is for the jumps, these are chargers, those are to inflate balls, and that's the toy. It does have a battery, 78%. Timer, That's the compressor. I can set how many PSIs I wanna. What else do we have in here? And here's the good part. I have the USB chargers. When camping, that's to connect on the car, and there is the flashlight.
J'aime. Gott sei Dank.
Hello, I'm reviewing this product to show you how easy it is to jumpstart a car where the battery has died. Please start the car. Turn it off so you can tell that it didn't start. There's a handy dandy light just in case you're in the dark if you have to start the car. So I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to attach the cables and try to start the car. Okay, I've plugged in the product. I've plugged in the kit.
Okay, try to start it. Completely dead? Yeah. Okay, let me connect it up. Okay, now try to start it up. Yep. Nice rod.
I purchased this ANFLAG charger and compressor. Even though I had a number of car battery chargers, I thought the compressor would be a nice add-on. Serves real well. The compressor is very strong. Was able to inflate a couple tires with no problem. It also has a much nicer flashlight than some of the previous chargers that I had. It's much brighter. It's got USB ports, 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port, which is a nice feature as well. I'd highly recommend this product to anyone who's interested.